Sapaad Loyalty works for all order types, and you also have the flexibility to personalize your loyalty program by enabling special order types to earn rewards. For instance, you might choose to have your loyalty program exclusively applied to walk-in and dine-in orders only. We'll show you how to do this in your Sapaad POS. Enabling loyalty for a particular order type is easy. Let's begin. Head over to Setup, then Sapaad Add-ons, and select Loyalty. Scroll down to the Activate In section. Select the order types you wish to offer loyalty on by clicking the corresponding toggle switch to On. For example, if you want to enable the loyalty program only for walk-in orders, simply toggle the corresponding switch to On. Finally, click Save. Now, your walk-in customers can start earning rewards. And there you have it. You just learned how easy it is to enable loyalty for a particular order type. With Sapaad Loyalty, customizing your loyalty program has never been easier. Check out our video on customizing loyalty earnings for menu items on Sapaad. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.